If you thought Shiba Inu and Dogecoin were the best meme coins, think again, because there is a new project that is about to take over. Now, in this video, I'm going to go through everything involved with this coin. And of course, I'm talking about Eagle INU. Before we kickstart into this video, I do want to let you know I am not a financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Please do your due diligence on any coin that I recommend or anyone else on this channel. Make sure you feel comfortable with this project. Also, please only use money that you are willing to lose. You should never use your life savings to invest in a coin. But once you do feel comfortable, keep watching. So once you click on that link in the description, you will be brought to their homepage. That's eagleinu.io. Now, as you can see here, it says it itself, the meme coin that soars the highest in the world of cryptos. Okay, we've also got a nice little cool picture with the couple of logos that Shiba Inu and meme coins like Dogecoin and everything like that. So as you see here, they've got their Telegram, they've got their Twitter. So as we go down, you can see that they do have a link for their white paper. For all of you cryptocurrency nerds, you will see that everything you need is found in this white paper, which is, in my opinion, a very good thing to have right at the very top of their website. As we go down, like they say, the eagle is a symbol of trust, wisdom, and prosperity. The market is our territory and we are ready to lead. And just going through this website and doing my due diligence on it, I'm completely happy investing my money into it. So like they're saying at Eagle INU, we understand that the world of finance is dynamic and our investors deserve nothing less than excellence. We believe that the strength and vision of the eagle are the foundations for financial success. Our currency eagle is the key to a transformative financial journey and they will soar higher. Okay, so let's go through the roadmap. The roadmap in phase 1 is community growth, website develop, contract creation, audit, KYC, and SAFU. So I will touch on later on in the video, but from me to you, having these accreditations are amazing. It means that they are verified partners. It means that they've gone through the process to prove they are who they say they are. Phase 2 is 2,000 holders, 100x launch, coin market cap, and CoinGecko listing. Phase 3 is Gate.io, KuCoin and Bybit listings, new roadmap and big announcements, which there are. So, as you investors are all interested in this, how to buy. Okay, so how you buy is you create a wallet. So you can download MetaMask, which I do recommend. Is so nice and easy, so simple to understand and use. And what you would do then is you would get some BNB. Okay, so BNB is the Binance token. Nice and easy to purchase. You can just purchase however much you want of BNB. And then all you need to do is you need to switch it to what it says here, $Eagle. That's $Eagle. And then what you do there is you go to PancakeSwap. Okay, so once you're in pancakeswap.finance on the browser or inside the MetaMask app, you connect your wallet, paste the Eagle contract address into PancakeSwap, select Eagle, and confirm. It's literally as simple as this. So you swap your BNB for your Eagle, and they have 5x5 taxes. So you don't need to worry about buying with a specific slippage. Although you may need to use slippage during times of market volatility, but that's like most things. Okay, so as we go over to this other side, token distribution, as you can see, there is a 64% pre-sale and the liquidity is 36%. They have 100% of their tokens will be allocated to the community, which is amazing. This translates to a fair and inclusive distribution split between the pre-sale and the liquidity, and literally like the website says, no bullshit. Okay, so like I said earlier, they are SAFU and KYC. We're going to touch into those in a second. And their buy and sell taxes are only 5%. Once again, we can also click on the join pre-sale. We will do that in a second. But look at the companies they are already partnered with. You've got Avdex, BNB Chain, Bybit, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Dex Tools, DexView, Gate.io, Presale, KuCoin, loads. The list honestly goes on. Okay, so the listings, here you'll find the information about the brokers where Eagle will be available. And if you're into cryptocurrency, you can already see that there are major names in there. Also, the events, they've got plenty of events coming up. As you can see, they've got the Web Summit in Qatar. That's on the February the 28th. Blockchain in New York City, May the 2nd. Consensus in Austin, Texas, May 30th. And they've got the money in June 5th in Amsterdam. Okay, so now as I'm going to show you the join pre-sale, what you do is you click on to join pre-sale. You will be presented with this. Okay, so like I said here also, SAFU details, you just simply click on it and it will take you to the certificate by CoinSol. And as you can see here, INU with their logo, that is their address. And you can request the badge also. It's also available on Presale, CoinSalt. And this is the contract. Like I said at the beginning of the video, please make sure you do your due diligence. So look through all of these, make sure that it meets your investing criteria. Now let's go back to the Presale and the audit. You can click the audit details there. So KYC details, as you can see, they've got the verification. The project name is there. The project website was the one I was just going through, and it was issued on October the 1st, 2023. People verified 1. So just for you people that are a bit unsure about what's KYC, KYC is Know Your Customer. It is a process whereby the project owner has shared their identification documents with Presale, and KYC is used to a deterrent method to reduce the illicit and deceptive behavior. Now, also SAFU, what is SAFU? SAFU badge demonstrates that the contract has been created by a Presale verified partner. So they had to share their identity. So this isn't just some random person putting this coin together to try and scam. This is a verified person, all linked with Presale. And as you know, Presale is a very trusted website. Okay, so as we go up, you can see everything here. They've got their Presale address, token name, token symbols, the total supply, the total liquidity, which matches what the website says. So it's like the website says, it was going to be a 64% Presale and a 36% liquidity. There's the initial market cap, and it's listed on PancakeSwap. So like I said to you at the beginning of the video, make sure you do your due diligence. Make sure you feel comfortable investing in this token. Me personally, I will be investing into it. It looks amazing, and the whole backstory and the roadmap that they are showing to me is something that I would be willing to invest. Now, you've seen the Shiba Inu, you've seen Dogecoin. All people think they were just rubbish coins, but then they made millionaires out of those coins. Now, like I said, don't jump the gun, do your due diligence, and make sure you don't invest any money that you're not willing to lose. But if you're looking for a channel that has the cryptocurrencies, the new ones in the market, with the analysis like this and my other colleagues, then you need to subscribe to this channel. Click that subscribe button, hit the like, press the bell to get notified of all our latest videos. But for now, see you in the next video.